This is an example of a word problem in which you can convert the word problem into an equation and then therefore use your Nspire calculator to help you find the solution. This is a problem from a 2018 STAR release test. The problem reads the daily cost of hiring a plumber, Y, to work X hours on a repair project can be modeled using the linear function. The plumber charges a fixed cost of $80 plus an additional cost of $45 per hour. The plumber works a maximum of 8 hours per day. So we got some key information here. But let's go ahead and write our equation how much this costs. Well, they're telling us here that the cost Y is equal to $80 plus an additional $45 for each hour, and we use X as the variable to represent our hours. Now we have this equation. Let's go to our calculator. So come on, new document. We want to graph this. F of X is its in function notation represents Y is $80 plus $40 to $5 for each hour represented by X. We enter that. We see this graph. The graph doesn't really tell us much. However, we can go to our menu and pull up a table. So as we pull up this table, the first column is our X variables, and our second is our Y. The X represents the hours, Y represents the cost. So if we look at this, if we have 0 hours, we don't have the plumber, he's still going to charge us $80. That's probably the charge just to come out and look at it. Now, if you look at remember the problem, it says you can be up to 8 hours. So there's our 8 hours. And at that point, the cost would be $440. So let's go back to our problem. In our problem, we can see that our Y values, which is our range, is from $80 to $440. Our answer choice would be B.